今日は space exploration について話そう。Have you been following the latest news on space exploration?
Yeah, it's fascinating how much progress we're making.
I know, right? The Mars missions are especially exciting.
Absolutely. The idea of humans setting foot on Mars is mind-blowing.
I wonder what it would be like to live there.
It would be a huge adjustment, that's for sure.
Imagine the view of Earth from Mars.
That would be incredible. A whole new perspective.
And the challenges of surviving there must be intense.
Definitely, the environment is so harsh compared to Earth.
I read they are working on sustainable habitats.
Yes, using local resources is key for long-term missions.
What do you think about the idea of terraforming Mars?
It's a bold concept, but it could take centuries to achieve.
True, but it's exciting to think about the possibilities.
I wonder if we'll see it in our lifetime.
That would be amazing. I'd love to witness that change.
Space tourism is also becoming a reality.
I know. Can you imagine going to space for vacation?
It sounds surreal, but also a bit scary.
I think it would be worth it for the experience.
For sure, seeing Earth from above would be unforgettable.
And the weightlessness would be so cool.
I bet it feels like flying.
Have you seen those videos of astronauts in zero gravity?
Yes, they're hilarious. Floating objects everywhere.
It must be so much fun to play around up there.
I wonder if they ever get bored in space.
Probably not with all the experiments they have to conduct.
That's true. They have a full schedule up there.
Plus, they get to see some incredible views.
Right? The stars must look so much brighter.
And no light pollution to ruin the view.
Exactly. Just pure darkness and countless stars.
Do you think we'll ever find life on other planets?
I hope so. The universe is so vast, it's possible.
It would change everything we know about life.
For sure, it would be a huge discovery.
I wonder what kind of life forms we might find.
Could be anything from microbes to intelligent beings.
That would raise so many questions about our existence.
Definitely, it would make us rethink our place in the universe.
Do you think aliens would be friendly?
It's hard to say, but I hope so.
It would be cool to communicate with them.
Imagine the knowledge we could share.
And the technology advancements we could gain.
Exactly. It could lead to breakthroughs we can't even imagine.
I love how space exploration pushes the boundaries of science.
Yes, it's like a never-ending quest for knowledge.
And it inspires so many people to pursue STEM fields.
That's a great point. It sparks curiosity in young minds.
I wish schools focused more on space science.
Agreed. It's such an exciting topic to explore.
Have you ever thought about becoming an astronaut?
I did when I was a kid. It seemed like a dream job.
Same here. The idea of exploring the unknown is thrilling.
But I think I would struggle with the training.
Yeah, it's intense. The physical and mental challenges are huge.
Not to mention the long time away from family.
That's a tough sacrifice, but for a good cause.
True. The mission's purpose is what makes it worthwhile.
Do you think we'll have colonies on the moon someday?
It's definitely a possibility, especially with recent plans.
That would be the first step towards Mars, right?
Exactly. The moon could serve as a testing ground.
I wonder how they would build habitats there.
They might use lunar materials to construct them.
That makes sense. It would save a lot of resources.
Plus, they could use 3D printing technology for construction.
Wow, that's innovative. Technology really is amazing.
It is. It's changing the way we approach space missions.
I can't wait to see what the future holds for us.
Same here. The next decade will be crucial for space exploration.
I hope we continue to make significant discoveries.
Me too. Each discovery opens up new questions.
And keeps the excitement alive in the scientific community.
Exactly. It's a thrilling time to be alive.
Do you think private companies will play a big role?
Definitely. They're already making waves in the industry.
SpaceX has really changed the game, hasn't it?
For sure. Their reusable rockets are a game changer.
I love how they're making space travel more affordable.
It opens up opportunities for more missions and research.
I hope other companies follow their lead.
That would be great for the future of space exploration.
What about the ethical implications of space exploration?
That's an important topic, especially regarding resource use.
We need to be responsible with how we explore.
Agreed. We should learn from our mistakes on Earth.
I hope we prioritize sustainability in space.
That's essential for long-term success in exploration.
I wonder how future generations will view our efforts.
Hopefully, they'll see it as a stepping stone to greater things.
And appreciate the sacrifices made by early explorers.
Absolutely. Their courage paved the way for us.
I feel like we're living in a pivotal moment in history.
Yes, It's exciting to think about being part of it.
I can't wait to see what discoveries await us.
Me neither. The universe is full of surprises.
Let's keep dreaming about the stars.
Always. The sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning.